Now I'm going to explain the last program 4, that is the calculation program. The question is as follows: create an equivalent of a 4-function calculator. The program should ask the users to enter a number, or an operator, and the other number it should then carry out the specified arithmetical operation, adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing the two numbers. Use a switch statement to select the operation. Finally, display the result. When it finishes the calculation, the program should ask whether the user wants to do another calculation. The response can be Y, that is yes, or N, that is no. And the program is as follows: hash include IO stream using namespace std at the header files, int main, and integer I given three integers, that is a, b, c, and character I given as c, d, and e. Menu cout, enter the operation. C and I given A, B, C, that the operation which with the numbers which we give you, they will be A, B, and D. Switch D I have given in case one, that is addition. C, here C is equal to A will get added with B, and C out will be the value here, where the value will be printing here. Then it will, the case one will get breaked up. The case 2, that is it gets getting subtracted. C is equal to A, the value of A will be getting subtracted by B. C out, the value will be pasted here. Then this one will be break by here. And the third case is multiplication. C A will be getting multiplied by B, and the value will be pasted here. Here it gets breaked up. And case 4, it will get divided. That is C is equal to A is divided by B. The value will be pasted here. Then it gets breaked up here. And C out, have given, do you want to continue? Then if we give Y, then the program will be continued once again, and it will go back again to the first case. If we keep no, then the program will get stopped. Now I'm going to show you the output. And enter the operation. I'm going to give like 3 plus 2, that is the first operation case. Do you want to continue? I'm giving yes. And now the second operation, I'm giving 3 minus 2, the answer will become 1. And again it's asking, do you want to continue? I'm giving Y. Enter the operation. Now I'm going to multiply. I'm going to multiply, and the answer will be 6. Do you want to continue? I'm giving yes. Now I'm going to divide 6 by 3, then the answer will become 2. If do you want to continue, again you have to keep Y, otherwise you can keep no, so that it will get stopped, the program will get stopped. There is no, I didn't declare N, so there again the press any key to a continue is coming. Thank you.